Okay, let's discuss some of the preposition. These are across, along, among, next to, between, opposite to. And let's discuss how to properly use in sentence. Across, number one, to indicate the movement from one side to another. Indicate the movement from one side to other side. Is shown across the river. Is shown across the pond. Like this. You walk across the bridge. In this condition, we have to use across. Use of along to indicate the movement in straight line. Remember that the movement in straight line along. Go along the road to reach certain place, Vindhyavasini temple, whatever else. Go along the road to reach any place. Go along the road to reach like this. Between and among. Between indicate the space between two subject or something. Somebody or something. Ram is sitting between two men. Nepal lies between China and India. Between. Among. The doctor is standing among the nurses. Among is more than two person or things. Space surrounded by more than two person or things. We have to use among. Okay, next one. Next two. You see left or right. It indicates, especially it indicates left or right of somebody or something. Next two is used left or right to indicate somebody or something. Alright. My house is next to the Parliament House. Left or right. Suppose this, I am standing here, my left side and my right side. Always remember, my house is next to the Parliament House. Left or right. It located in the left or right, we have to use next to. And opposite to indicate somebody something in the opposite direction, just opposite direction. I am facing like this and the wall is there. In this case, we have to use opposite to. The post office is opposite to the citizenship. Left or right side is next to. Opposite to, it is also clear by the opposite to. So across is crossing in the short distance by one point to another point. Along is movement in a straight line to reach some place or somebody something. Between, it indicates surrounded by two person and many person among. And next to, it indicates left or side, right side of. Suppose I am standing here, left hand side, right hand side. Only indicate. Opposite to, that means face to face. Opposite direction. I am looking towards. Suppose I am looking. I am standing in the east and the west is the opposite. In front of, especially. So this is the way how to use across, along, among, next to, and opposite. Alright. You have to remember this point. If you know the rules of this preposition, definitely you can choose the appropriate preposition in sentence. Alright. This is the way. How to use the given preposition?